here where the people could find more liberty, because those two powers would be counterbalancing each other. And so you could have more or less liberty. Liberty is not what you have or you have not totally. You have more or less liberty. But you can also treat liberalism and freedom dogmatically. For instance, you could say, no, it's either we apply all the liberal values, like every individual is basically the same and should be treated in the same way. So citizen, non-citizen, no difference. Immigrant, non-immigrant, no difference. And you could be for the free flow of goods and people and so on. This would be a dogmatic approach. So the conflict between Donald Trump, for instance, who is for limiting immigration, of course I'm saying, I mean here mostly illegal immigration, but it doesn't really matter at this point. Usually most of those quarrels are not about legality or illegality of those immigrants. They are basically about the letting many people from different cultures in or not letting. So I would say that this is the conflict, this is the quarrel between two types of liberalism. And I think that this pragmatic liberalism of Donald Trump is better. Trump is a pretty liberal person. He supports LGBT movement, for instance. He's far more liberal in the philosophical meaning of this word than average Republican politician, U.S. Republican politician. But okay, but even if he weren't, then he would be liberal in this sense that he would like to preserve the liberties we have already in our society. So it's also liberalism. It's a pragmatic liberalism. And the other type, the Obama's type and so on, it would be a dogmatic liberalism. So I would prefer this pragmatic liberalism. And what would you prefer?